So I hope you have enjoyed 2020 nicely. Yeah, different type of year 2020. Now we are moving towards 2021 from COVID 1 to COVID 2. We are moving. So I hope everybody is alert and now you know your responsibilities. We are taking very easy and we have to take it easy policy. That is our concept so that we can improve ourselves. Okay. So today's class successfully we are moving to the second unit, and remember that you are having the first midterm exam in the month of February, I think so, around the second week of February. So be ready for that one. So today we are going to start the second unit. In the second unit, it is purely concerned with the capital markets. Once again, the technical analysis, then how you can value the bonds. All these things are there. So don't worry about the topics. Everything is very easy. The fundamental thing today we are going to discuss, that is purely based upon the technical analysis. So today our topic is purely based upon creating the charts, how to create charts in Excel. Most of you know, that is why I'm going to give importance only for few diagrams, how you can draw in case of the Excel, that is graphical presentation of stock prices. That is today's. Then how you have to interpret that one. That is very important thing. But now almost all the softwares are there so that you can easily interpret everything. We need not worry about that one. But by seeing the share price movements, everything, the chart, you are able to tell something immediately. That is the core discussion today. Okay. Even yesterday I saw our Jisman photo nicely in his DP, half face. Another half face is missing. I thought in my phone only some problems. Then I searched his photo is like that. That shows that he used to convey something. According to me, he used to convey the 2020 past with some vacuum. That is the first half. Next half is going to be filled by the second phase of this month. So, and picture is telling everything. He never sent anything. The picture you can see, picture itself he used to speak. Same thing in case of stock market. Whatever data in analytics you are giving, a few picture will speak nicely. If you open the Yahoo Finance or moneycontrol.com, the entire picture, the graphical representation, now we are calling it infographics. These infographics will speak nicely. That is the today's discussion. So be ready with the your laptop. We are going to prepare some Excel sheet, have a nice connectivity issue so that there won't be any issue. Okay. We'll start with the news what I have shared with you. I think some of you gone through the news what I have shared with you, and very interesting news. You can see in the year 2020 last day, it shows the Sensex ends 2020 on a flat note. Nifty below 14,000, HDFC Maruti Dr. Reddy top gainers. So simply in this infographics, they clearly explained what happened in case of the Indian stock market. You, you can see a nice diagram. I think it is from the Business Today newspaper, which was published on 2nd January, just updated 10 o'clock only. The same news has been updated. So what they are showing, you can see that one. Simply the graphics will show what happened during the 2020. And in the write-up, they clearly mentioned that ONGC, Airtel, some other companies were among the top gainers. Even the big companies like TCS, Infosys, M&M, that is Mahindra, Ultratech Cement, Unilever, NTPC, and big organization India, State Bank of India, were among the top losers. But this infographics clearly shows something bullish trend. What does it mean? And on the currency front, they mentioned that rupee rose for the sixth straight session and ended 24 pies higher when compared to the dollar. It shows that even though there was a pandemic, the COVID entered into different countries nicely, and it created some negative situation in some of the countries, not some of the countries, even most of the countries. But Indian stock markets were not highly affected by the COVID pandemic. Understand that one. Even though some problem, that is why it closed flat. Usually 1 year it will go somewhat in upward direction, the returns concept. But here, these infographics, as per the business today, they mention clearly the system, how our share price have been moved. So as a rational investor, they wish to know what happened in 2020, then whether it will continue in 2021. That is why I already told 2020 figures won't be good. The reason is 2020 is the abnormal period. We can't take any decision based upon the 2020. Reason is the abnormal situation. Nobody expected there would be a lockdown. Finally, India was closed on a particular day onwards. We faced that problem, a lockdown issue. Even then, the stock market gained. So this is the simple analytics you must know. Here they were given clearly why, what happened, then what about the Chinese stock. Then very important thing, now COVID vaccine is coming. So what will be the its effect in the market? Everything they clearly mention. This is a simple analytics. So today's class is also about preparing the graphics, of course, not infographics, but in my opinion, you are able to prepare a infographics like this or something different, that with your creativity you have to do. What this man creativity is doing, likewise you should have a nice creativity. Okay, this creativity is very very important here when you are presenting. That is why, as per our syllabus, we used to call it as second unit is full of technical analysis. What I have shown from the LMS, only technical analysis. I hope you have studied what is the difference between fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Today's class is about the technical analysis for the analytics, not for the financial decision. How you are going to prepare the technical charts. And usually we are using the Excel for the purpose of preparing the charts. But nowadays it is not like that. There are number of charts are coming. Each and every organization, they are preparing nicely. You can see in case of Yahoo, they are showing a different chart with the, you can see in the Yahoo Finance, it shows the interactive charts. The movement of, say, for example, NASDAQ Composite Index. You can see it clearly shows. You need not go and do some work. The stock prices you can easily know by moving the cursor. The, here it shows the NASDAQ Composite Price Index. What is the NASDAQ Composite Price Index on 9 second? Then on the December 8th, you can see what is its price. Everything we are able to know. Interactive charts are now available. So based upon these interactive charts, you are able to take your own decision. So today, as an analyst, you are a nice analyst. So let us assume our Abhijit is the financial analyst today, and our client is who is the newcomer. Somebody newcomer is there. Hmm? New the client is Madhumita. Let us assume like that. Okay. So as a client, Madhumita is asking Abhijit. Madhumita wish to invest in some nice shares because she is having some crores and crores rupees which she generated from white money. So she decided to invest in the stock market. So she is asking to Abhijit, hello, Mr. Abhijit, when can I invest? Because I'm having lot of money with me. It is no issue. But which month I can invest or on which day I can invest? So what will be the answer from Abhijit? Abhijit has to tell immediately. Madhumita, otherwise Abhijit will lose a client like Madhumita. He has to tell immediately, okay, which time is good. It is not like our own traditional astrology. Maybe astrology is also playing some part in case of investment amount. I think some of you know in case of Mumbai, they used to go to that one temple in Mumbai and they used to put the coin, they used to check their luck. If Madhumita is in Mumbai, what Madhumita will do, she will take a very nice 1 rupee coin. We used to in those days called as silver coin and go and visit that. What is the name of the temple? Is I think Mahalakshmi Mandir something. Hmm? They will go there, put the coin in one place. If the coin used to stay there for 30 seconds, it means that Madhumita luck is good. Then suddenly she will go to the Dalal Street. If the coin falls down immediately, what will happen? Madhumita will return home. She will do some other business. Nowadays, same concept is used by most of our students. In case of our SAM example, it is different. Sam is to check whether his love is success or failure. What Sam will do if he is now in Kerala or in Bangalore. If the Sam is in Mumbai, he will go to same temple and he will put the silver coin. Now instead of 1 rupee coin, Sam will select 5 rupees coin and keep in that wall. Whether the coin is falling immediately or it is there for 30 seconds. If it is there, oh, Sam will be a very happiest person. It means that his love is successful on the particular day. That is how the luck is measured in case of Indian times. See that one. What, Sam, you did it like that?
Not yet, sir.
You are going to do. Yes. Don't worry, Sam. You will do. Hmm. These are all the techniques in those days. I am telling very old and ek duje ke liye stories. Hmm. These are all the things happening. But now it is not like that. We are living in 2020 age. So what will happen? Madhumita suddenly as a client is asking to Abhijit, immediately Abhijit has to tell what Abhijit will tell. Say, let us assume in case of Yahoo Finance, he will go through the Nasdaq Composite Index. Whether we can invest in global level, you can see one day peak is there. You can I'm clicking exactly the plus point there. 9 to 2020. The Nasdaq index is opening with 12,047 and high is 12,074. High. That means during the month, say, ninth month, it went on well. So what Abhijit will tell based upon these graphics, good Madhumita, you are having a nice money. I accept. So what we can do in the ninth month, the share price will moving up. So if you want to invest in the ninth month, usually the price are moving because festival days in number of places throughout the globe. So you can invest at least in this time, 8th month. day 11 you can invest, so that in ninth month it may be good, it will increase. So if you are investing on 8th month this place, and within 1 month or within 25 days you will get a good return, you can sell immediately and gain. That is also possible based upon these graphics, provided Madhumita agrees. Okay, good Abhijit. In last year it happened. During the 8th month it was low. In ninth month it was increasing. So we have same trend is following. It is nice. I will invest during this period. That is the answer from the Abhijit, and Madhumita have to accept. That is why you are studying as a financial analyst. That is why you must know what are all the graphical presentation. In case of you, if you are investing in stock market, all these graphs should go in your home or in your office. You have to install a big 108-inch TV, and you have to see all those things. Immediately you have to see, oh, what is the price now, whether we can invest now. All these things you have to know. That is why you are studying this subject. Okay, most of the students, they find it very difficult, but this is essential nowadays. Everybody must know all those things. What Salim will do if he becomes the finance manager, if he is a good investor, he is going to be a very big broker, means he'll construct a nice office with an ambience. He used to install around 108-inch television, around 5 or 6, and he will sit simply and see. That's all. What he will see, which time the prices are decreasing, when the prices are increasing, by the time when we can invest nicely. That is the role of Salim. By sitting in a simple place, he can gain money. That's what we expect. Sometimes he may gain crores also. So I expect by within 5 years, Salim has to be a crore badi, multi crore badi. That is why you are studying this thing. But basic things you must know. How these charts are prepared. This is the chart from the Yahoo Finance. And in case of moneycontrol.com also you can see there are a number of charts are there. Hmm. This is the chart from the moneycontrol.com, a candlestick. Hmm. These are all the interactive graphics. Instead of preparing graph by you, now most of them are preparing like this. Here is okay. So today we are going to discuss about that one. So what you are going to do now, open the Excel sheet in your laptop. Open the laptop. I think you are already having. Open the Excel sheet. Let us know how to prepare some of the charts. Okay. Mm. Open the Excel sheet. Sweta, have you opened the Excel sheet?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Anrita, Anrita, how frequently she is missing. Uh, okay. Yes, now you can open the Excel sheet. Then what we are going to do is we are going to, yes, Anrita is responding in chat. Yes, now go to the BSc website. I hope you are already having this website. You have to store as the bookmark, I already told. Hmm. So today our client is Madhumita, our financial analyst is Abhijit. Okay. So we will ask first preference from the Madhumita. Madhumita, which company you want to invest? Tell any company which is listed in BSE.
Sir,
Madhumita,
Bata company, sir.
which company?
Bata.
Bata. Okay, let us type Bata. Mm, Bata India Limited. Okay, I am selecting the price. I am selecting not from 2020. The reason is 2020 we can't believe because, as I already told, it is an abnormal period, COVID period. That is why I am going to select old days. Don't mistaken me. Usually I won't prefer for old data, but here we have to go because we face the abnormal period. So I am going to 2019. Okay, I am selecting just the month September month. Okay, September 1 to October 1, just a month data. Oh, here. So 1/9/2019 to 1/10/2019. So you can also select first the name of the company. You can select your desired company, not essential that bata. Okay. What this man you have selected?
Selecting, sir.
Good. Which company?
Avenue Supermarket.
Avenue Supermarket. Oh, you are very much interested in DMart. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Good. Amar, Amar.
Yes, sir.
Which company you selected?
Say Asian Paints.
Why you are still very lazy, pa? Asian Paints will appear in the beginning itself.
Okay,
Okay.
then I'll choose something, sir.
Ah,
Sir, what about Aditya Birla?
that you can do. Hmm.
Okay.
Yes. Karthik, what which company you are selecting?
Tech Mahindra, sir.
Tech Mahindra. I think every time you are selecting Tech Mahindra. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Snega,
Yes, sir.
which company you are selecting?
Sir, HDFC Bank.
Oh, bank. You are ready to invest in bank. Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can select that one. Then you have to submit. Hmm. So here the prices are available as usual. Go here, download the CSV file. Yes. Now the CSV file is available. The order is in correctly October. You can see the order 1st October, then 30th September, 27th, 26th September, like that. So be clear, we have to make the order clearly. So what I am doing, I am first saving as with the Excel workbook. Okay. Save as Excel workbook. Now I have saved in the Excel workbook. For then we have to arrange in the order. That is very important thing. So what we have to do, we have to arrange in the order. Okay. Let us go for sorting. Custom sort. Date wise. Oldest to newest date. Okay. Yes. Have you arranged? Nitya, you arranged? Yes. Sam? Sam?
Yes, sir.
Ah. Have you arranged everything in
Yes,
the
sir.
order?
Doing, sir.
Hmm. Subhashri? What happened, Subhashri?
Yes, sir. I have
Ah,
arranged, sir.
okay, ma. Good. Hmm. Hmm. Yes, I hope everybody arranged. Hmm. Yes. Now some unwanted details are there. We will delete that one. Say, for example, weighted average price not necessary. So I am removing. Hmm. One number of shares also not needed. The number of trades in volume we can keep. Remaining thing not necessary. I am deleting. Okay, so now I am having the data like this: opening price, high price, low price, closing price. Then number of trades. Number of trades refers to the volume of trades. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Have you done it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
The turnover and delivery quantity, everything will delete it.
Yes, yes, that is not needed. Hmm. Now you should have only this much of data. We'll see what we'll do, what we can do with all these things. Yes. Now what I am doing, I'm creating a new Excel sheet, or you can use the another book here, but I am using a Excel and pasting. First one, I am deleting even number of trades also. Anyhow, this is a new Excel sheet. Or you can add as another plus. That is another sheet. Don't delete the last column in the original raw data file. We are having two Excel. This is the raw data file. In raw data file, number of trades is also there. We are creating new Excel sheet. In that one, I have deleted the raw, the volume of trades. Okay. What, Renita, you are done?
Yes, sir.
Which company?
Ashok Leyland, sir.
Ashok Leyland. Oh, you are very much interested in Ashok Leyland. Also. Okay, let us see what we can do with that one. Okay. Now you can select all those things. We'll see which type of chart is suitable. Go to insert, go to recommended charts. Then go to all charts. Under that stock. Have you identified this thing? Stock. Have you identified?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now what it is saying, to create a stock chart, arrange the data on your sheet on the order of opening price, high price, low price, closing price. Okay, that is the thing. We have to arrange in that order. So I think here it is arranged like that. So you can use the same thing. Yes. Select only this thing. There are three charts. Last one we will prepare later after this graph. Volume, high, close. This is the candlestick. Select the second one. First one also you can show, but it shows only the high price, low price. Second one means you can go for opening, high price, low price. Okay, then you can go for okay. Think for which company we have prepared for Madhumida, this is for Bata. So I'm changing the Bata Limited. Yes, have you prepared? Subhashri?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Renita?
Yes, sir.
Jacob?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sukrut?
Yes, sir.
Good. Jojen?
Yes, sir.
You are prepared?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mm, And you can format with some designs, everything. Okay. Now you can see what you understand from this chart. That is very important thing. Preparation is anybody can prepare. Hmm? They have mentioned clearly opening price, high price, low price, then closing price. Based upon that, what you are going to interfere. I think some of you already studied that one. Let us see the first day, September. September, the closing price, the opening price is 1,539, but closing price is also 1,539. That is why it shows only plus, small increase on the day only. No more changes. So only it increased. Okay. Then you can see on 6th December, sorry, 6th September. See here, 6th September, the opening price is 1,520. The closing price is 1,540. But the candle is somewhat big because the high price is 1,544. A big candle. That is, it increased heavily. That is why the box is high. So what does it mean? It shows slightly bullish, but not fully bullish. But you can see here in another one big, there are two things. Up bars are there. Hmm? There are two up bars. You can see one up bar in the date. Click in that one. You can see this date. They have this on 28th September. One up bar. Another upside bar is on 23rd September. 23rd September, what happened? You can see in the 23rd September, The price, opening price is 1,626, but its closing price is 1,733. Heavy increase. Also, the high price is 1,770. Even the low price is 1,626.9. So on this day, there is a good trend, bullish trend. So when you are interpreting that one, try to find out clearly when there is a bullish trend. So here under this graph, what you have to write? Bullish trend. When there is a bullish trend, you can mention the date. The bullish trend is on the particular date, 23rd September. By seeing that one, we identified that there is a bullish trend. Green color. Okay. Bullish trend has been reported on 23rd September. I think you know the meaning of bullish trend. Likewise, the opposite, bearish trend. When there is a minus movement, moving down heavily, you can see all these things are in upward direction. Some cases, the line candle is in reverse. If this candle is in reverse direction, in the case of bullish trend, the candle is in upward direction and there is heavy place. You can see in case of this side, up bar one, it shows like a nice candle and it is burning in right direction. It shows the upward trend. That is the bullish trend. Same thing if there is any minus one, a negative trend. When there is a negative trend, you can see here a big negative trend in two places. That is on 27th September, there is a negative trend, but it is not clear one. In case of 30th September, there is somewhat negative trend. 30th September, I have mentioned in the red color. You can see the candle is just reverse on the day. One more day also on, I think you can see here on 6th September, the candle is reverse. Then here the candle is in big size downtrend, down bar. This is called a downtrend. So downtrend shows the bearish trend. So which date? On 30th September. If you see in the graph data, 30th September is the red signal that shows that the trend is going down. You can see the opening price is 1,789, but it ends with 1,723. So we follow the bearish trend on the 30th September. Okay. This is how you have to interpret. Okay. In the same manner, try to find based upon the graphics which day we are following the bearish trend, which day we are having the bullish trend. So in our example, when Madhumida is asking to Abhijit, Abhijit will clearly say, don't worry Madhumida, on September, 23rd September, there will be a bullish trend. Once again, it may fell down. So Abhijit is able to tell clearly to his client, Madhumida, clearly when we can invest. The bullish trend will come on the date. I remember that once again, I have not taken the 2020 details. The reason is 2020 is the abnormal period. So never consider the abnormal period for taking decision. You should be very, very clear with that one. You, you have to consider only the normal days for taking the decision. Here, I had taken 2019 on the assumption that it is a normal one. Okay. So prepare the chart, find out the bullish trend and bearish trend. Okay. This is the one method of preparing the chart. Yes, have you prepared, Renita, for your
Yes, sir.
company? When is bullish, when is bearish trend?
So bullish is on 20th and bearish is on 30th.
September.
Yes.
Oh, nice. Good. Mm. Then Jacob,
Yes, sir.
uh, when you are having bullish,
Sir, I'm having bullish on 22nd
mm,
and bearish on 29th.
29th.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
most of them are around that time only. Okay, good. Mm. Then what about our Jisman? When,
Sir, bullish on 23rd and bearish on 30th.
same thing. What I am doing, you are telling.
No, sir.
Huh. Which company
It's
you have selected?
Avenue Supermarts.
Oh, DMart is going in the same method,
Yes,
huh? Mm.
yes, sir.
Okay, good. Naveen,
Sir,
when your company is having bullish trend,
sir, bullish on 23rd September
uh,
and bearish trend on 27th September.
27th. Okay. It means something happened on 23rd September. Okay. Mm.
Okay, sir.
Good. Balaji, I'm seeing Balaji now only. Balaji, no response. Balaji, what happened? Jojin, your company, when there's a bullish trend, when there's a bearish trend.
Sir, bullish is on 21st September and bearish on 25th September.
Okay, nice. Okay, you can save that one. The same sheet, you can add one more thing. Click the plus, we will go for the next sheet. Okay. Now what you are going to do is, once again, copy from the raw data file, all these things. Copy this one. Come to the same sheet. Sheet 2. Sheet 1, we have prepared the nice candlestick. No, sheet 2. Okay. Paste it here. We'll go for the next chart. Why, but we have to make some changes. Let us see how we can prepare the second chart. You can see, don't do anything. You can go for the same insert, recommended charts, all charts, stock. I wish to prepare along with the volume also. Hmm, Volume on which day we can mention. So if you want to prepare the volume with this chart, okay, see that one first. mm, mm. It will, this chart, the last chart will show the volume also, but in different order. The volume is mentioned, that is number of trades. So what you have to do for this chart means, the volume should be first, but in the data sheet we are having opening price at the beginning. So what we have to do now, we have to add one more column, insert, convert into volume. Volume is nothing, number of trades only. So what I am doing, this data, copying, pasting here. Okay. Because the graph will prepare first one as the volume. It is not having the common sense. It is a machine. Okay. Nitya, I understood? What
Yes, sir.
Good. Hmm. Now number of trades, this column is not essential. I'm deleting. So be clear. If you want, prepare the chart along with the volume. First data is date, first column. Second column volume. So you have to bring the volume from the last one to the beginning. Because in our raw Excel sheet, we are having number of trades at the end. So we have to bring that one here. That one. Remaining thing, okay. Opening, then high price, low price, and closing price. Okay. Have you prepared that one? Now you can do. What, Amar? You did it? Amar?
Sir, doing, sir, so doing.
Doing. Okay, good. Yes, now listen. Have you completed Salim? Salim.
Sir,
Yes. What you have done? Whether you have come to sheet 2?
sir, no current at my place, sir.
What is the relationship between current and laptop?
I don't have laptops. I use desktop.
What man? Still you are in 1942. Huh? World is in 2020. Hmm. So you have to do once again. Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Salim. What this man? Who did it? This man.
Yes, sir. Did.
Good. Hmm. Yasin?
Done, sir.
Oh, good. Yes, now we will prepare the final chart. Okay, next chart. Same thing. And copy that one. Go to the recommended charts, all charts. Then go to the stock. Then last one. Volume, open, high, low, close. It should be in that order. Okay. Now you can expand that one. The beta. I'm changing the title as beta limited. Mm. Yes, have you prepared? Or Subhashri?
Yes, sir.
You are prepared? Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Sam? Sam?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Done, sir. Prepared.
Done. Uh,
Yes, sir.
okay, good, good. Sam is standing outside, I think so. He's still dreaming. I think some car sound is coming. Huh?
No, sir. Some vehicle is going outside, sir. That's why
Yes.
something.
Yes, now you can see how to interpret this one. Okay, you can see same date, the bullish trend and bearish trend date, how the things will looks like. Same graph, we added something new only. 23rd September, you can see the bullish, the candle is having some stand, bearish trend. You can see the candle is here with the stand. In the bearish stand, you can see stand is there, but candle is in upside down. But here another interesting fact is there. On 20th September, you can see there are two things. The candle is having its own flame, top as well as bottom. Then the volume point is very big on 28th September. You can see 28th September on the date. What happened on the date? 20th September, the opening price is 1529. Then it high price went to 1649. Low price is 1509. Heavy down. But it ends with 1624. And its volume is also 3782. That is why you can see volume is high. This date is a riskier date, heavy volatility. See, if you see a diagram like this, you can see candle is having flame upside and downside, but the stand is very big. More trade happened and more fluctuation. Within the candle stand, everything is happening. The volume is the candle stand. Okay. So this day is having high volatility day. Volatility means heavy fluctuation. Volatility, heavy volatility on 20th September. That is heavy fluctuation. More fluctuations are on 20th September. So that is how you have to interpret. If you are going for 20th September, intraday is very, very important. Maybe some news might have come or some other reason. Suddenly it tends to increase, suddenly it tends to decrease. This is a riskier day. That is why it is called as highly volatile day. So these are all the things you have to understand. That is why in your office, I told you, know, Salim office, if Salim is running a big office, all this chart will be going on. By seeing that, Salim will tell, okay, today don't go because the stand is very big, candle is down, it has two flames, so we need not go. Another one, the stand is good. You can see stand is good. The candle is in upside. Flame is also in upside. So it is doing well. Bullish trend. In bearish trend, you can see stand is good, but the candle flame is in downside. That is the bearish trend. How the Salim will identify. So now Madhumita is asking to Abhijit because Madhumita is interested in Bata company when we can invest. So what will be the answer from the Abhijit? Abhijit will clearly says that the price will increase. We'll have a good trend on, I think, last week of September. Then once again it will tend to decrease. Never go for investment during high volatile period, that is on 28th September. 28th September, heavy volatility will come. If you want to have a speculation, speculation means Like our Sam's Casino. Sam's is having very good mindset about the casino. Okay. Casino, if you are investing, you can go for the volatility day. Sam, have you invested in casino? Have you gone through casinos? Sam?
Yes, sir.
Ah, good. You can see casino means you can prefer 28th September. If you want to go to Singapore and you want to enjoy in the Sentosa, a nice casinos are there. You can go there and you will have a nice investment on the day. This usually happening. Most of them are flying to Singapore. Another group is going to Dubai side. But frequently some of them are going and investing in casinos. So this volatility is good during casinos. But in case of coming to the stock market, when there will be a bullish trend, when there will be a bearish trend. Okay. So what you have to do, save this Excel sheet in your name and you have to upload here. Okay. Technical chart. Now here I have mentioned the NSE. Go to this exercise technical analysis charts creation. Upload the file here in your LMS. This is your LMS. In this LMS, upload it here. Okay. Subhashri,
So
you
it
did it.
says restricted, so
Each speed. I
so
can't.
restricted. So not able to go to that part, so like
By
technical.
restricted means you might not answer the first question. This one. Technical chart will open only if you answer the non-financial metrics. That is why I'm telling. Why I'm telling? You have to answer this question, then only it will go to the technical analysis. It won't open, I know. That means you have to read this story, previous stories. Only if you read these stories and if you upload, then only it will go to the next one. So before going to that one, for say for example, Georgian was absent on previous day. Once Georgian completed the previous exercise and answered this question, then it goes to the technical analysis. Then only he is able to prepare the technical chart. Otherwise, Georgian, even though he prepared today, he can't upload. It won't open. That is how I designed our LMS. Hmm? Okay. Yes, are you able to do? Ranita, completed?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Hmm. So complete it, upload it quickly. Hmm. Any other question? Amar, have you completed?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, good. Hmm. Now it is almost time. Show your nice face in 2021. I am going to see your face in 2021. Okay? Because I have seen you only in 2020. Now how your face looks in 2021. Somebody already left immediately. Hmm? Yes, Jacob is coming. What about yes, Sam is coming. Nice. Jisman face now full face is coming. Ranita, Nitya, Yasin, Yaneshwari. Nice. Andrita is not coming. Snega is coming. Shukrud. What, Jojin? You are looking like a villain. Huh? What happened? Yeah. Yaneshwari is there. Sai Pranita. Hmm. Good Puja. Hmm. Only if you what about Hussein? I forget about Hussein today. Hussein, you are sleeping, Hussein. Hmm. Amar only looks nicely. Hmm. 2021. Huh? Okay. Good. We will meet next week. Until then, bye bye. Enjoy the happy New Year Eves. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Happy New Year.